Are you looking for the best mobility scooters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mobility scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Transformer Folding Mobility Scooter. I couldn't be happier with my Transformer Folding Mobility Scooter. This scooter has completely changed how I travel, both locally and on flights. The automatic folding feature is incredibly convenient. Just push a button and it folds itself in seconds. No tools, no hassle. It's surprisingly lightweight, yet feels very sturdy. I was concerned about comfort and stability, but this scooter handles beautifully, even on uneven sidewalks. The fact that it supports up to 300 pounds gives me extra confidence in its build quality. The 13-mile range on a single charge is more than enough for a full day out, and I love that it's airline approved, making air travel smooth and stress-free. I've taken it through airports and on cruises. It fits easily in overhead compartments or with baggage handlers when needed. It's also stylish. The red color looks sleek and modern, and I've received lots of compliments. I highly recommend this to anyone looking for a reliable, portable, and comfortable mobility solution. It's worth every penny for the freedom it gives back. Number 2. EV Rider Transport AF Plus. The EV Rider Transport AF Plus has exceeded all my expectations. I purchased this for both daily errands and travel, and it's been a total lifesaver. The automatic folding feature works flawlessly. Just a press of the key fob, and it folds down in seconds. It's so easy to transport, and at just 49 pounds, I can lift it into my trunk without help. The lithium battery is reliable and long-lasting, and the fact that it's airline and cruise approved is a huge bonus. I've taken this scooter through airports and onto cruise ships with no issues whatsoever. It turns heads everywhere I go, especially in that vibrant red finish. Despite its lightweight design, it feels very sturdy and supports me comfortably. Maneuverability is excellent, even in tight spaces, and the included front basket is a thoughtful touch for carrying small items. This scooter has truly given me back my independence. Whether you're an active traveler or just need a compact scooter for everyday use, this is an outstanding choice. I couldn't recommend it more. Number 3. EV Rider Transport 4AF. The EV Rider Transport 4AF has completely changed the way I travel and move through daily life. From the moment I received it, I was impressed with the sleek gold finish. It's not just functional, it's stylish and eye-catching too. Weighing just 51 pounds, this scooter is lightweight yet solid, and incredibly easy to manage. The automatic folding with the key fob is a game-changer. I can fold or unfold it in seconds without any strain or struggle. It fits perfectly in car trunks, and it's been a breeze to take on airplanes and cruise ships, with no issues thanks to its airline and cruise approval. The lithium battery charges quickly and holds power well, ideal for day trips, shopping, or travel adventures. The scooter handles beautifully indoors and out, with smooth steering and a comfortable ride. This scooter delivers on quality, convenience, and peace of mind. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just looking for a compact, dependable mobility solution, the Transport 4AF is absolutely worth the investment. It's freedom, comfort, and confidence, all in one. Number 4. Golden Technologies. The Buzz Around Carry-On by Golden Technologies is hands down one of the best mobility scooters I've used, especially for travel. It's incredibly compact when folded, just 12-inch, making it ideal for car trunks, closets, and even under beds. I love how lightweight it is at just 47.5 pounds. Without the seat and battery, yet it still feels solid and durable when in use. Although it's a manual folding scooter, the process is smooth and quick, definitely manageable even for someone with limited strength. The airline-approved 12.5Ah lithium battery makes it a breeze to take on flights, and I've already traveled with it through 2 airports with no issues at all. The ride is comfortable, steering is responsive, and it handles both indoor and outdoor surfaces better than I expected from such a compact model. Whether I'm shopping, sightseeing, or moving through tight spaces, the carry-on performs beautifully. I also love the option between the red and blue panels, a nice touch of personalization and style. If you're looking for a foldable, lightweight, and airline-friendly mobility scooter that doesn't compromise on performance, the Buzz-Around Carry-On is a fantastic choice. It has given me back my freedom to travel with confidence. Number 5. FreeWink Auto-Folding Mobility Scooter. This auto-folding mobility scooter has been a total game-changer for my daily life and travel. At just 40 pounds, it's one of the lightest scooters I've used, and yet it's sturdy enough to support up to 275 pounds with no wobble or instability. The four-wheel design adds a lot of balance and confidence, especially on uneven surfaces. The best feature? Remote control folding. With a simple press of a button, the scooter folds and unfolds automatically in seconds. No bending, no hassle. It fits easily into my car trunk and stores compactly at home or in hotel rooms. It's perfect for seniors or anyone who values independence and portability. The 15Ah battery provides a solid 14-mile range, which is more than enough for a full day of errands, sightseeing, or cruising around a resort. I've taken it to parks, malls, and even traveled with it. It's been reliable every time. The blue finish is bright, modern, and stylish. I constantly get compliments and questions about it. If you're looking for a lightweight, portable, and easy-to-use mobility scooter with the bonus of automatic folding, this is a fantastic investment. It's made my life easier, more mobile, and a lot more fun.